The Kanakanavu annual river ritual takes place in April along the Nanzixian River in Namaxia, Kaohsiung. It's a time for the community to show how they live in harmony with nature and pass down their fishing and hunting traditions. At dawn, torchlight flickers along the Nanzixian River. Members of the Kanakanavu community carry torches, setting fish traps before the sun rises. It marks the beginning of their annual river ritual. On the morning of April 5th, they place ritual silvergrass along the river banks to ward off bad luck and invite blessings. The villagers then gather by the river to pray, scattering rice into the water for the fish, while asking the river spirits for protection. Later, the villagers gather in a hunting lodge, sharing food and learning fishing skills and taboos from the elders. To expand their cultural influence, university students often join to help with the ceremony. Take Mr. Chen, for example. He first connected with the community during the ritual and still returns after graduation to help, keeping the bond with the community.
就是要注意很多的规范跟禁忌，就是不能说去跨越这个鸿沟，然后还有就是说不能去，就是要尊重这边的文化，对，所以其实那时候是有很多提醒之后，然后就是跟着主人一起协助，然后从旁，然后我自己比较能做的就是协助唱歌这样子。
他们了解我们的文化以后，他们毕业以后，在其他学校任教的时候，他们也会把他们跟我们所学的文化，用回馈到我们的族群里面。
The villagers celebrate the river ritual to honor their deep connection with nature, while passing on their fishing and hunting traditions. Even with a small community, they continue to teach the next generation how to care for and respect the land.